Hey y'all, welcome to Math Rescue. My name's Andre, and I'm your certified math coach. Today we're jumping into geometry transformations, starting with translations. If your class hasn't hit this topic yet, it's probably coming up soon. Translations are one of the simplest to understand once you know how to read the notation. By the end of this short video, you'll know exactly how to spot a translation, how to read it, and how to apply it by yourself. They're actually super chill, pretty logical, and likely if you see it once, it'll click pretty quick. Alright, let's get started. Right, so we have three different notations for translations. A translation can be given to you verbally, it can be given to you in coordinate notation, or it can be given to you in vector notation. Let's first start with plotting point A. So point A is at -3, 2. I'm going to go over 3 units, I'm going to go up 2 units, I'm going to go ahead and drop a dot. From there, let's start with the verbal notation. So verbal notation is super straightforward. It tells you 4 units to the right, 3 units up. You can see that being represented in coordinate notation. They tell you that you're going to move horizontally 4 units and vertically 3 units. If we wanted to move to the left, we would see a negative next to the x. And if we wanted to move down, we'd see a minus next to the y. We'll talk about vector notation closer to the end. So let's go ahead and do our translation. So I'm going to go 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go ahead and drop a point there. Our original point, we would just call A, and then our new point, we would call A prime. Sometimes later in the units where you guys do transformations, you do composition of transformations. When that happens, you could end up with like an A double prime if you did 2 transformations to get the point. Before we wrap up, let's talk about vector notation. Vector notation is actually my personal favorite. It's the one that involves the least amount of writing. So this big T here stands for translation. And we can see on the left, they give us the horizontal movement. So it tells us we're going to move horizontally 4 units to the right. If it was a -4, we'd be moving 4 units to the left. And then the second digit there tells us how much we're going to move vertically. All right, I hope that video was helpful, and good luck in geometry.